How to enable keyboard typing sound on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open any typing place. I've opened Notes app. You'll find your keyboard pop up. At the top of your keyboard, click on the gear icon, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on Preferences, which is the second option. After you've clicked on Preferences, scroll down in here till you find Keypress and turn on Sound on Keypress. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After it's turned on, click on Volume on Keypress at the bottom and select the volume you want for your typing sound. Then press on OK. After that, you can simply go back, and when you type, you'll find typing sound on. And this is how to enable keyboard typing sound on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.